today conduct a video interview. I am Dr. Anita Yadav, Dean Agriculture. Welcome, ma'am. Ma'am, first of all, first question. Being a Dean of Raman University, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you what would you describe your leadership style?
Okay. If I talk about the philosophy of a leadership, so I think this is to choose right person at right place. So when we are in the administrative role, we have to manage the overall curriculum of this faculty. So in that case, this is my priority, that I should choose a right person at a right place so that all the works can be done effectively. In the department there are several activities like teaching related activities, research oriented activities, as well as extension activities. So in every part, a single faculty and a single staff has a significant role. So we have to identify that which faculty is playing a significant role in teaching, which faculty has an expertise in doing as an extension worker, and which faculty has a key role in research aspects. So accordingly, we have to find out and we have to give the task.
Next question, ma'am. Being a Dean of Raman University, how do you study about the key program and plan for the marketing and administration of your university?
Okay. If I talk about the curriculum parts, so as we are an academic institution, so the agricultural studies has been done according to the module of ICAR 5th Dean Committee. So we are having all the courses which is recommended by our ICAR board. So in 5th Dean Committee, there are several changes in the course structure as per the need of the era, as per the need of the change of the society. We have different packages. So particularly in this module, we have some skill enhancement courses, some entrepreneurial skill development courses, because our aim is to produce the generation which is able to give opportunities of job to many persons. So we focus that our students should not be a job seeker. They must be a job provider. So this is our key role.
More, ma'am. Ma'am, next question. What do you see as university greatest strengths?
If I talk about the greatest strength of this university or as our faculty, so being the academician belongs to agriculture department. This is, as we know, that agriculture is the culture of the nation. So we have seen in the COVID situation also, in this pandemic situation also, when every other sector was not showing the good results, only this was the agriculture sector which was showing the positive GDP. So this is sufficient to tell the story that how this agriculture sector is the basic food provider, and this is to fulfill the needs of daily requirements of the persons. So this sector has maximum opportunities which must be deployed within time. We need to have some expertise in different areas to guide our students and to supervise them how this venture can be successfully achieved, with the aim to provide several entrepreneurial options in this agriculture sector.
One next question. What are the some plan that you are currently designations for university, international affairs, and students?
Actually, we are first of all, our aim is to produce the professional graduates in this subject, so that they have the very basic knowledge as well as the applicability of their subjects. They have to understand. Only then they can apply this subject to turn their dreams into realities. And for that, we have to have different expert lectures in different specific fields, which can provide a better insight to the students. That this will help the student to develop that particular confidence, that in particular sector, they can have some business opportunities, some entrepreneurial development opportunities. Apart from this, we have to have focus on the placements of the students, because as we know that agriculture is a very core sector, and there are several arenas in which our student can play a significant role, whether it is marketing, whether it is production unit, whether it is a hybrid development unit, whether it is a R&D unit. In all the aspects, our professional students can play a significant role. So our aim is to groom the student to fit in each and every sector of the nation.
Okay. And next question. What do you tell of establish and healthy relationship and involvement in your university?
Okay, actually we are dealing with students, we are dealing with the administration. So this is the foremost requirement, to have a healthy relationship between our students as well as the management, because when the student is feeling comfortable with us, then only he can share his ideas, his queries with us. So for this we conduct the different experimental classes in lab also as well as in field also. We suggest different outdoor activities like tours of the student to different experimental blocks as well as in villages, so that our students have a better exposure to the real life situation of the farmers as well as the farming communities. So in that way they have the better idea of the real situation, as well as they seek all the challenges what a farmer faces. So this is a better way to have a healthy relationship with the students.
And last question. What do you think your role and responsibility do the university and the student are?
See, if I talk about my role, so for student, definitely my role is to make our student understand that what is the importance of their subject in which they have enrolled. So to have a better idea about the job opportunities, the business opportunities in their subject, and the applicability of their subject is directly related to the society as well as the farming community of the nation. So to make them realize that how important this subject is. This is my prime role as a dean of this Faculty of Agricultural Sciences. And to management, obviously, we have some key roles that we have to justify that Faculty of Agricultural Sciences is a key branch. So we have to have a better exposure as well as a better outreach program as an extension workers, so that whatever has been developed, or we can say whatever has been there in the university, that should obviously go across the first of all, obviously this local area, the villagers in that area, they must be benefited by our research, by our findings, and after all, obviously the nation will be benefited.